welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Julie, or Slightly Unblended. Today I put this off partly because the holidays were really busy, partly because I had no energy, and yeah, I just kind of procrastinated pretty bad. But I did pick up the ColourPop Confidential mystery box, and I did go through it already. I've forgotten some of the other things, but I know that there was a blush called Delish that I had, and I already had it, so I sent it to a friend, and I think there was something else that I don't quite remember. But yeah, so I'm going to show you everything that I got aside from those, because I didn't want to have too many spoilers for anybody if they were waiting on theirs to come in. But yeah, so let's get started. First up, I have Falsies in the style Queenie. And they are so cute. I don't think I have this. Well, I don't think I have any in this style from them. But I was on a big ColourPop lash kick until they got rid of Baddie. Then my feelings were hurt, and I was like, because those were my favorite lashes. And let's see. This is the Hello Kitty Pressed Powder Palette. And oh, this is a little quad, like an eyeshadow palette. Okay. I also did kind of get into my other palette that I used a good bit from this, and I'll find it and talk about it in just a second. But oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh, it's like little cherry colors. There's 2 mattes and 1 shimmer. So, it's super cute. I'll have to use this sometime, because I did think that the Hello Kitty collection was adorable, but I just didn't get anything from it because I go overboard with ColourPop, so I try not to make too many orders too close together. Next up here, I have 2 things from the Lizzie McGuire collection. I did not get that full collection. I just picked up like 3 blushes and the palette. So this is a lippy scrub and Glitterly Obsessed Glitter. Oh, let's check that one out real quick. It's in the shade, or like it's the name of it is Sing to Me Palo. Alrighty, well, let's see. Ooh, it's pretty. It's given me very much so like early 2000s, late 90s nostalgia vibes. Oh my gosh. I want to use this. I'm going to set this on my desk to use it like soon. And then the lip scrub is Bubblegum Pop. Oh, I bet that smells good. Oh, the packaging is adorable. I know I'm kind of like sat weird, but I'm trying to have room to hold the box up because my desk is a whole mess. I'm going to do it a smell. It does smell like bubblegum. Ooh, I'm going to use that this evening because my lips have been trying to be dry. And it's got a little Lizzie on it. Super cute. Then we have the color sticks in Him from the Powerpuff Girl collection. I used a lot of mine, so I was excited to see this in here because I love it. Like, this was really good. Do graphic liner looks with it. Just, it's pretty. And Him is one of my favorite characters. Then I have a liquid liner and a creme gel liner. The liquid liner is called Honey Girl. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, okay. Oh, it's kind of nude. Okay. Okay. I like that. I'll probably try something with that. I haven't used any of their liners like this in a long time because they're like felt tips, and I usually use a brush tip. But then the creme gel liner is called Icebreaker. Oh, is this a white liner? That would be... No, it's not. Oh my gosh, it's a pastel. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited because I am running low on creme gel liners. Oh, it's such a pretty shade. I cannot wait to use that. I love it. And I love their creme gel liners too. They're amazing. Well, let's see. Oh, okay, let me find that one palette before I forget about it. The Free to Be palette is what I'm talking about. It's a neutral one. I'm not finding it right now because I am the absolute worst, but I did do a tutorial with it, so I'll have to link that if you want to see the palette. Sorry. Let's see. This is one of their Just a Tint Coral Kiss Lip Crayon. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. That is really pretty. It seems moisturizing, just from like applying it to the back of my hand. That swatch was probably not even picked up by the camera, but yeah, I'm excited to try that. Because I don't think I've tried any of their just a tint lipsticks at all. Let's see what else. I have a couple more things in here. Alright, let me just set this box down so I can be more like faced normally here. But I have here Super Shock Cheek Too Cool for School, and it's a matte. I don't know, is that like a, is it a bronzer? Oh, it looks like it could be a bronzer. It's really pretty. I love their little imprints on it. Like, I don't really want to touch it because I'll ruin it, because I like the way it looks. Like, it's aesthetically pleasing. But I need to try this out because I've not tried any of their Super Shock Cheeks. So that'll be fun. Then there is this, oh, Super Shock Shadow. It says put me on your face. This is the shade Frou Frou. Oh, it's really pretty. Is this a duochrome? Ooh. I don't know if it's going to pick up, but it's really pretty. It looks like it would be super dark, but when it's applied, it's like a wet look, kind of like pink with a little bit of a blue sheen to it. It reminds me of a lipstick I had a long time ago before I was even really into makeup, and I cannot remember the name of it, but I think it was Revlon, maybe? I don't know. It was pretty. But let's see. Ah, this is the Cabana Club. I do believe I remember when these released, because I think I was looking at them and I didn't know if I was going to pick any up. But it's got all the purples. It's like 2 purples, but isn't it pretty? I like that. Those shimmers look stunning. Ooh. I need to do a look with this soon. I need to do a full face of ColourPop, but I'm going to have to buy some foundation and concealer. Yeah, because I got that Feather Effect brow pen now, so I could do a full face of ColourPop if you're interested. Just need to get like the Pretty Fresh tinted moisturizer and the concealer. Just an excuse to go to Ulta, huh? Last but not least, I have Cashmere Forever. I really wish I could have found my Free to Be palette to put in this, because I use it a lot. But anyway, oh, this one's all purple too. I am in love. Purple is my favorite ever. And this is like 2 shimmers and 3 mattes, so I'm happy with that. Because sometimes they're a little shimmer heavy and less matte, and I like to have more mattes personally than I do shimmers, so I'm excited to do something with this. I really, really need to do a full face of ColourPop video. I know I just said that, but I really do. Alright, I guess that's it for this one. I know it's kind of all over the place, I feel like. Stuff like this usually is. I need to get better about making it not be. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube, I have all my social medias linked in the description box down below. If you want to keep up with me while I am here on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. It means so much to me, and I appreciate it so much. And I guess without too much rambling, thank you for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!